Should you run Facebook ads, aka Meta ads, or Google ads for your business? Some businesses rely only on Google to get them results, while others rely only on Facebook, or vice versa. For example, if you are a car accident attorney, Google can be the best platform for you because it's more search intentional. You get in a car accident, you're not going to be searching for it on Facebook. And just to show you guys an example of a car accident attorney, I searched for it on Google. I just put car accident attorney, which by the way has a very expensive cost per click, between $80 to over $300. So it's always important to do your keyword analysis and check those cost per clicks. Anyways, definitely found a Google ad for it. The one that popped up was Cook Law Office. So I checked if they were running any Facebook ads, and nope, no Facebook ads at all. But just because one platform will get you better results than the other doesn't mean you should only run ads on one platform. It's great to run ads on both platforms because Facebook can generate that interest or awareness of your business, and Google can capture that interest when someone searches for something relevant. So for example, with the car accident attorney, they can still run ads on Facebook to build that brand awareness in their state, kind of like a digital billboard. In fact, I remember listening to a marketing speaker when I went to Traffic and Conversion Summit in Vegas. He said that they ran awareness ads for a lawyer in the whole state using Facebook ads, and that it lowered their cost per acquisition significantly because people saw him so much on Facebook, they remembered him, which also increased their Google search volume. And that's very beneficial because lawyers have a very expensive cost per click on Google due to its high competition, and justifiably so because of their very high returns. This is just an example. However, this can be for any business. When it comes to advertising, you have to think of advertising from top of the funnel, people that are not aware of your business at all the way down to people who know exactly what they're looking for and search your exact business. So yes, depending on the business, one platform can yield better results than the other. However, running on both platforms is important in the long term for your business. If you want to learn more about Facebook or Google ad strategies you can implement to your business, check out my resource in the description below and how you can get started running ads that can grow your business on both platforms. Till next time, see ya.